Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade tea easy guide. Steep 2 tea bags in 4 cups hot water for 3 to 5 minutes, then remove bags and cool slightly. Stir together 1/2 cup lemon juice and 1/4 cup sugar or honey until dissolved, then mix with the brewed tea. Chill in the fridge, serve over ice with lemon slices and mint, and enjoy a balanced, bright homemade lemonade tea. I love sharing small tips that make big differences when making lemonade tea, so here are practical ideas to improve your brew. Start with your preferred tea base, whether black for bold flavor or green for lighter notes, and steep to taste. Zest a lemon before juicing to capture aromatic oils, then add juice and sweetener slowly, tasting as you go. Chill thoroughly and serve with ice and fresh herbs for an extra lift. If you're enjoying this lemonade tea guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere while your brew chills, and it pairs nicely with a cozy pitcher of tea. I've included a link and other deals in the description for easy access, so take a peek if you'd like. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Here are a few fun variations to customize your lemonade tea and impress guests without fuss. Prepare a simple syrup with 1/4 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water for smooth sweetness that dissolves instantly. For a bubbly version, combine cooled lemonade tea with equal parts sparkling water right before serving. Garnish with lemon wheels, mint sprigs, or a thin slice of ginger for warmth and complexity, and consider serving in a pitcher for easy refills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.